We are looking at the word weil, which means because in German, and it is a verb kicker. So we're going to look at what a verb is and work out how to use weil. So what is a verb? A verb is of course a doing word. So for example, in this sentence, I eat chocolate, eat is the verb because it's the word that explains exactly what you're doing. You are eating. I drink tea, drink is the verb because you are drinking the tea. That's the thing that you're doing. He reads books, reads is the verb because that's what he's doing. In this sentence it's slightly different because is actually the verb, but it's not describing something that you're doing necessarily, so it's quite difficult to spot. But it is a verb because it's describing what something is. Okay, so that's one to remember. Is the verb in this sentence, and it is funny. So here we have them, all the doing words. Esse, trinke, liest and isst in German. Ich esse Schokolade, I eat chocolate. Ich trinke Tee, I drink tea. Liest Bücher, he reads books. And es ist lustig, it is funny. So now let's go back to weil. Weil does mean because. Here we have two sentences. The first one, I eat chocolate and it is tasty. So I eat chocolate, ich esse Schokolade. Now the verb in that sentence is esse, we know that. Then in the second sentence we've written es ist lecker, which means it is tasty. And ist is the verb in that sentence. The first sentence is a statement, so saying something, and the second sentence is the opinion about that. At the moment they're two separate sentences, but what we're going to do is we're going to use weil to link them together to make a longer sentence. So a longer sentence means you'll get a better level, and using weil is really good to bring your level up and shows that you can use these verb kickers. So it's much better for your writing and your speaking. So, I eat chocolate, it is tasty. Ich esse Schokolade, es ist lecker. Now, we're going to join these two sentences together after Schokolade. So, ich esse Schokolade. Instead of the full stop, we're going to put a comma, which is very important. And then we're going to put weil, because. Now, the sentence es ist lecker, this is where we need to be able to spot which the verb is, which word the verb is. Now, we know it's ist. Es ist lecker, ist is the verb. The word weil, we've already said, is a verb kicker. So it's going to kick the verb to the end. So let's have a little look at how that would work. So again, we've worked out that ist is the verb in this sentence. And now we've linked them together. Ich esse Schokolade, comma, weil es lecker ist. Weil has completely kicked the verb to the end. So ist is now at the end of the sentence. So let's look at a couple more examples. Ich mag Russell Howard's good news. Es ist lustig. So I like Russell Howard's good news. It is funny. So we want to link up this statement and this opinion together. We're using weil. So the first sentence stays the same. Ich mag Russell Howard's good news. Then we identify the verb in the second sentence, which again is ist. Now we link them together. Ich mag Russell Howard's good news, weil es lustig ist. I like Russell Howard's good news because it is funny. Let's try another one. Ich lese gern Bücher. I like reading books. Sie sind interessant. They are interesting. Again, the verb in this sentence is sind in the second sentence. The first sentence stays the same. Ich lese gern Bücher, weil sie interessant sind.